Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change currency on the Best Wallet application. If you are looking for a way to change your currency on Best Wallet app, then first of all, open up your Best Wallet application from your home screen. Now enter your wallet's passcode to get access to your wallet. After you get to the home page of your wallet, tap the Settings button at the bottom right-hand corner. From the Settings interface, tap on Currency. Now you can go ahead and choose a different currency from the list. You can also search by token name or symbol using the search box at the top. Right after you find your currency, you can tap on it and you will be able to change your currency on your wallet. So that is how you easily change currency on your Best Wallet app in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you never miss out on another update from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.